go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you know it was a good hunt. Blue is out skis. Out, out, out. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Shoot him! There we go.
Yeah, they literally had to wait. They weren't clearing the damn decoys.
Blue, that's what we want. That means they can't see us. That's exactly what we want. First goose, right down, foot hanging. He must have got shot before, but we'll take him. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael McNeil, and guess what we're doing today? We are hunting snow geese and mallard ducks for an afternoon hunt. And the reason we're hunting is because tomorrow is gonna be 35 to 45 mile an hour winds. It's supposed to rain an inch. So rather than set up tomorrow, we're gonna make tonight our hunt. And we got birds coming on our left already here. You can see Blue here, but we got a bunch of snow goose full bodies out. We got the rotary machines flipping. We got some mojos out front. Got 5 of my best buddies with, and we are just about ready to make them rain. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video, and let's get going. Let's crank some birds. We got cranes coming. Sandhill cranes coming. Here they come. Down. 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 Come! Nice shooting! 2 specks on the crane? Nice! Good boy, Blue, bring me the speck. Here, Bo. That's you. Back. I know. Gotta get the birds. Reggie's got a crane. That's a big one.
Come here. Good boy.
All right, so this afternoon's conditions, it is blowing. 17 to 25 mile an hour gusts. We got nice little sunshine. We've been having a hard time laying out in the fields. The geese kind of been picking us out a little bit. So what we did is, here's another nice little tip for you. We found the terrain. We found this spot where it kind of just dropped down in the middle of this flat field, and we kind of got behind this hill, and when it gets this windy out, the geese will just ride real low, as you've seen on that first snow goose that came in the decoys here. He come right in real low, and actually I kept telling the guys to shoot him, but they had to wait for him to actually clear the hill and the decoys in front of us to actually shoot that bird, because they are going to get real low. So when it's windy like this, you don't want to sit in the back of your spread. You want to sit more towards the front or middle, because the birds are going to try to short stop the spread. So that's kind of a good tip for you too. But use those features in the field, use that terrain, use everything to your advantage when you're hunting these birds, and you can have a lot better success. So, oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Let him rain! Yes! Yes! Yes!
That was nice. That was awesome.
That's raining them out, boys.
That was better than awesome. It was like 8, wasn't it?
Oh my gosh.
I'm getting so much better.
Oh, over the top somewhere.
Where? No, it's like,
Oh, Jed, you gotta wring that one's neck.
I got a like Goose neck.
I was like, where is he at? Hey, Bo!
How many did we get?
I don't know, a bunch. Back.
I have to say, I know everything on the right half of that dive.
Yeah. Big brain! Oh!
Look at that one.
Got him! There we go, nice shooting. Blue.
There goes another one.
We got them all. Kill him! so. Got him! Nice shooting, boys! Oh shit, I missed that one.
He said nice shooting.
Nice shooting, boys! More coming. Blow, here!
Come here, Red. Come here, Red.
Here, blow, here.
Single coming right at you, Jed.
Here, blow, here. Fetch it here. Back.
Come here, bud. Single right in here.
As soon as he gets over. Kill him! Nice shooting, boys.
All four of them died.
Here, bro. Here, no. Back. Back.
Good on four of them? Yeah.
Boy, they're doing it dirty. Enjoy it, boys. Bring him here, Blue. Here, bro. Roskies, ladies and gentlemen. They did it dirty. Got him! Got him! There we go. Nice shooting, boys. Got them all. Juvies. Boo boo, here. Back. There we go. Good boy. Isn't that fun, ladies and gentlemen? Those birds are crawling right over that hill, and we're making them pay here. The hard part is that once we shoot, they flare out. So we're gonna see. We've got some ducks coming here, so let's see what we can do. Make 'em rain! Nice shooting.
4 or 5.
4.
4 or 5.
No, oh, the other one's going down. Other one's going down.
Yeah. Out front. Come here, Red.
More coming. Make 'em rain! Oh yeah, boys! Ha ha! That's great. That was awesome. I like that, Jed. I see the smile on your face.
Shot once and then they're all
Damn
dead.
sweet.
Wait. Did I kill these 3? Kill them! Get him again! Blue.
I had no idea those 3 were there.
You
I
did?
was watching out here.
Oh, were you?
Oh,
Oh, ways out.
come on, turn in. Got him! There we go, that's raining them out. Blue. Good boy, Blue. Here.
Comes that single.
Drop it. Let him go get it. That was good. Here we go. Here we go. Hold still. Caught him! Ho-ho! Ho-ho! Here, Boo-Boo. Back. God dang it. I'll say it now and I'll say it forever. An act of nature is always your best friend when you're waterfowl hunting. Wind, snow, fog, rain. Today we got wind, and today we got Blue bringing back another nice snow goose. Nice job, Blue. Act of nature. Those are your best days to be hunting, ladies and gentlemen. Got him! Oh! Did you see that?
Yes, I did.
Heck yeah! From downtown Charlie Brown!
That's like 60 yards.
Holy! Right up the old 5-hole!
Check that man for lead shot.
Back.
Holy crap. That was a shot.
That was a black cloud beatdown, ladies and gentlemen. Black cloud beatdown. There ain't big flocks coming in. There ain't big tornadoes, big spins, but we're taking them 2, 3, 4, 5 at a time, ladies and gentlemen. Been on a lot of good snow goose hunts the last few years, and I gotta say, this is probably one of my favorites. We got more coming right down the middle here, nice and low. Watch this. They're racing. They're racing, yeah.
Another tubular right.
Got him! That's messing them up, boys. Nice shooting. Honker coming on the left here. Honker coming right here. I hit him 3 times. He's got to go. There he goes. I hit him 3 times. Got that bird, ladies and gentlemen. There's a nice little honker. Fetch him here. Fetch him here. Fetch it here. Back. Back. Hey, back. See? A little lesser, ladies and gentlemen. I hit that sucker 3 times. I don't know why. Whatever you want. There you go. Nice shot, Chuck.
Good shot, Chuck.
Nice shot, Chuck.
Got your single. Warmed up now, buddy.
Oh boy. I've got one for each of you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Make it rain! Coming back over!
Coming back!
Ha-ha!
We double.
I doubled on that one.
I love juvies. I just love them.
Wait, the family went down. I
Bo.
need to go back.
Here, Bo! Bo!
That was 6 of 6.
6 of 6.
We got more coming front right.
Here, Bo. Back. And that's your federal black cloud moment of the day. There. Show me.
Soup.
Juvie soup. Ladies and gentlemen, juvie soup. Pile's getting pretty big back here. Jed's got a pile over there. That pile's getting pretty goddamn big. Blue, you are a bloody mess, aren't you? That's how you know we're having a good day, ladies and gentlemen. When Blue looks like that, Chuck just said, that's how I know we're having a good day. When Blue looks like a Carrie movie. It's not even Halloween yet, Blue, and you're all dressed up. Wait till he comes in. He's coming around. Come on, turn in. Turn in, turn in, turn in. Turn in. Turn in. Kill him! Nice shooting, boys. Lesser. Good boy, Blue. Nice lesser. Bring him here. Fetch him here. Fetch him here. Fetch it here. Oh boy. Drop it. Drop it. Lesser Canada goose, ladies and gentlemen.
He's behind me.
Caught him! There he goes. Nice shooting, boys.
Well, all 4.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had an amazing evening hunt here. We shot some Canada geese, some ducks, some specks, some snows. We absolutely got a crane. Absolutely just wrecked them. It was an awesome hunt. What do you think, Chuck?
Great hunt. Great time.
Danny, what do you think?
Perfect.
John?
Booyah.
Jed?
It was okay.
It was okay. The boys got to go home, so it'll be just me and Chuck tomorrow, and then we got another group of guys showing up to hunt and have fun with us for a week. So this was our last hunt, and what a way to go out. I know we got over 80 here, so that was a dang good hunt. So I hope you guys liked that. Smash the subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be the first one to know when I release a new video. And until next time, make 'em rain.